This video will guide you through rack mounting the SL2100 chassis. The SL2100 chassis can be rack mounted. An additional rack mount bracket is required for each chassis. The bracket is 337 mm deep, and the cabinet in which the bracket is being installed must have enough space for an additional 60 mm for the AC power cable. This plugs into the back of the SL2100 chassis. There are 4 cage nuts with screws and a securing screw supplied with the rack mount bracket. The chassis requires 3 U of space as ventilation is required above. The AC cable and power switch are located at the rear of the chassis. Ensure you have access once the chassis is mounted within the rack to power each SL2100 on and off. Offer the rack mount bracket to the cabinet to locate the fixings for any cage nuts. Secure with the 4 cage screws provided. Slide the SL2100 chassis into the front of the rack mount bracket and secure with the screw provided. You may want to insert the AC power cable prior to installing the chassis into the rack cabinet. The CPU and interface cards can then be installed. When rack mounting more than one chassis, use the interconnection cable supplied with the EXIFE card. The cable supplied is an Ethernet straight cable, 1.2 meters in length. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in providing information on rack mounting the SL2100 chassis. There are other quick installation videos available on our YouTube channel.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.